All right. So someone sent me a video clip, one of the video clip them of Taylor Tapper with a more recent interview, specifically speaking about the aspect of going back to the stadium. I'm going to play the video clip for you guys to listen, and I'm also give you guys my reaction to it. Don't go anywhere. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. All right, so welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for tuning in. Really, really appreciate it. All right, so I'm gonna play a video clip that I want you guys to listen to. Technically, I'm gonna give you my views on it. If Tapper Whitmore is in his right to make such a request, many might say yes, many might say no. I do think a lot of persons agree. I'm just gonna give you my insight on it. But I wanted to listen to the clip. Someone reacted to it, and we're gonna go straight into it. So, just listen keenly. Please listen keenly. Let's have a look.
So Jamaica team are playing and none of them never send a ticket come give me it, you know. I mean, I can't nobody beg them, none. If you're not on TV, I don't watch it.
Because you wouldn't pay your money to watch this team.
I don't say money pay me money for watch it. But that's the disrespect what I try to tell you. Why would you buy a ticket go there? So if I call Minister Green to a ticket for go watch Jamaica team. But again, what the difference? Pass player happen to pass player happen to pass coach. So why if he's a Theodore Whitmore go be different? If me not go, me not go.
And you're a legend, you know?
Yeah, me know.
You talk the God truth now. That sound right?
Yeah, so I want to also listen to his reaction.
Theodore Tapper Whitmore, we're a legend. We got a World Cup, we scored 2 World Cup goal. We help to qualify for World Cup. The whole of the 98 squad to be a legend, them and if you have them VIP box in the national stadium. And if you call them and ask them if they want to come and match any match, a big motivation that to the present Reggae Boyz them. Why me I tell you not to, yo. A whole heap of things are going on in the country when I write, you know. A base lackness, me say I go on. Base lackness. This is one big foolishness. This should have never happened. I tap out with more that. Pepe Goodison. Nandilo, all of them past legend. Them and them to get proper invite to match when match are going on stadium, yo.
All right. Yeah, so first, digest what was said by Tapper Whitmore and also gentleman who is doing the reaction. Going to the comment section right now and tell me what you think about their reaction, his reaction first, and what Tapper Whitmore said. Then we can go into ours. I'm going to be very, very interested into what are your thoughts on this one in the comment section. So please drop your thoughts in the comment section so I can get more idea of what you think could be done, or what could how the situation can be handled a little better. Now I'm going to give you my thoughts on it. Now he made a very, very good point in regards to Tapper Whitmore being a legend and getting access to VVIP. Now, and he also said that it'd be a good motivation for the Reggae Boyz. Now, I do see it that way as well. Listen to this. What if they could create a little section, like a 13-seat or 15-seat, and call that the legend seating? Legend seating. So that comprises of all the great former Reggae Boyz who have played for the country, who have played at a high level. And these players would have a selected bunch, and you'd have emailed them prior to game match day, like all 1, 3, 2, 4, probably like a week out, and said, this is your pass. All you have to do is present it at the gate, and you'll be gain entrance into the legend section, and it provides certain level of amenities, probably a few drink or whatever that case may be. Now, when you treat your legends in such manner, it encourages them to be a part of what's happening. Encourage them to come out on a regular basis and see the boys. Now, when the boys the current Reggae Boys see the legends in and around the team, that spark a bit of anxiety, a bit of excitement, and also a bit of pride. Strike that pride to say, you know what, these were the guys who did it before us. They're here. Let's show them that we can do it also. And psychologically could also give them that extra push. Now, let me give you a perfect example how this thing matter, or how this thing really operate. For as much as me and most of the KC old boy them all, of course. See the KC old boy them, they do it the right way. And me have to give them credit for that because them look after them school. They look after their school. And they enforce that bit of pride in being a part of the Kingston College School. And I don't think we're really doing that in regards to the Reggae Boys. Pride, that bit of pride that is needed. Even some of our very own players, like that pride is not really there. And I think that is something that the legends can enforce into these players. Let them know the importance, what it means to be a part of what's happening right here. Not saying that they don't know, but I'm very sure that the legends of the former Reggae Boys can really enforce that ideology, that philosophy in them. Let them know what it means. And that's what I'm saying. All the KC old boy them do it. No matter what athletes or whatever you're doing, the KC old boy them in making know say this is what it means. From the get-go, they make you know this is what it means. You have to give them credit for that. You have to give them high praises for that. And this is something that I believe that is a good idea going forward. So when a player come in, either come from England, Germany, whatever I'm a player from, even a Jamaica, moment in step in a national setup, and them have them regular meetups with the legends, they can speak with the legends and tell them this is what it means. This is what it takes to be such and such for. And that in itself can also galvanize the passion, the hunger, the desire. And you don't know. But I think it's a brilliant idea. Give them like a 15 seats and said these 15 seats are for the legends. Just like how you can give Prime Minister or the Minister them a seat. Who really and truly enough for them not impacting football. Yes, they don't really mean football no good. But persons who have done it, who have worn the colours and gotten the legendary status. The 98 squad. Before that, them can come in at the game with them something access their access them legends access that they got, and you'd have emailed them. And I say everybody will play for the team before is legend. No, not everybody a legend. But you can collaborate our collage amount and names where I said these persons maybe like the 90th squad who have done brilliantly. And even before that, T-Gat and these guys, before that. I say, yeah. And it will be a very good gesture. And I think that, you know what that would have mean to have these persons in the facility with the fans there, and the fans them could get them autographs from them. The fans could get the photos with the legends as well. And we can tell them with the legends sitting in there, apply extra pressure upon the players and upon the pitch to go and perform. And they need that. They need that bit of pressure. They need it. They need it. We love talk about not putting pressure upon player. Well, that's a feel that they're in. That's what they demand. That's what they command. So it's a brilliant idea. It's a very good idea, and it's a good initiative. I think that the Jamaica Football Federation can take going forward. And I'm telling you, there's so much commercialization can get from it. Just imagine if 13 legends turn up, sitting in a one little area, having conversation, having a drink, watching the game. It's crazy when time full time over. A lot of fans them probably never want to go because they are wait to take them pictures, wait to get them autograph. It definitely could work, and maybe something that could have been done a long time ago. Anyways, Tell me what you think in the comment section. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you have any more video like this, send it to me. Let me do some reaction. Let me do some video reactions, people. Send the videos them to me, people, and let us do some video reaction. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. See you guys again. Until next time. We are out. God bless.